You like root beer and all that. You might like that. It's sour.
Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Now on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So I told y'all, I told y'all was gonna see this outfit again. Well, I guess y'all saw it, but y'all really didn't see it. But anyway, y'all, we are trying some Trini food today, some Trinidadian food today, y'all. So y'all saw it if you watched my last video, like you should have. You would see that I went into this place here that we have here in Richmond, Virginia. And I ordered some food, right? So I'm gonna tell y'all what we got, okay? So we got some sorrel right here, which I love sorrel, my favorite drink. We had, oh wait, we got somebody here. Oh, what's your name?
Mr. Invisible.
Oh, tell the people your name.
I go by the name of Carter.
Okay, y'all.
That's my name.
So we got some sorrel here, which is my favorite drink. We got some fruit punch, which I love fruit punch. I love this fruit punch. And this is Malby, y'all, which I'm sort of not a fan of Malby, but we're going to try it today. And then we have what you call Trini Doubles. Y'all, I don't know what a double is, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere if I remember. So I've got I bought two in case I like it. So I bought two of this one and I bought two of this one, right? So I don't want to mix them. So I'm going to take one, put it here because we could rip it apart. And I'm going to take the other one. Oh, they look different. Okay, y'all. So one is supposed to have potatoes in it and one is supposed to have peas in it. I don't think none of them have.
One is potato, one is peas.
And none of them have meat. And one is called the double, but one is not called the double. I don't remember, y'all, but anyway, we're gonna get into it. Oh, and I also have some rice and beans. They don't do rice and peas. I have rice and beans. Let me show y'all. And it has goat gravy on top. So she was well, from what I'm told, it's so good that she sells out fairly fast. Thank you. Oh, it smells good. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look. Oh. So what I'm told is she sells out kind of fast. So she was out of curry chicken, but she said she was gonna make some more, but it was gonna take a while. She had just sold out of curry shrimp, and she was sold out of oxtails, right? So I just got what I could.
What did they have on the menu? Like?
So the doubles. They had the doubles. They did have a doubles, and she did have goat, but I don't eat goat.
They had none on the
That's why I got the rice and beans and goat gravy. All right, y'all. So let's get into it, okay? So let's try the drinks first, okay? Because my mouth is dry. Okay, so he don't like Malby, but
that's not Malby.
I mean sorrel. He don't like sorrel, but I'm gonna get him.
I drink sorrel. Sorrel. Right. Damn.
You want some more? You can't. Don't cuss in my video.
Wait, that's not a cuss.
What? It's not enough?
It's not like blood. This is thick.
I love my my sorrel looking
this
dark.
Might need water.
No, I love my sorrel looking dark, y'all. Hold on, okay, I can't put the lid back on. Okay, there we go.
Oh nah.
All right, let's try it.
Getting too strong. Where's my straw?
You want a straw too? Okay, here we go.
No straw.
Oh, let me set this to the side like this. Okay.
I want to sit with elegance too. Let me see.
Okay, you ready? 1, and we're gonna give a number after we taste it, okay?
1 to 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
10 the worst.
No, 10 is the best. 1 is the worst. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10. This is how I like my sorrel. 10. 10, 10. What Beyonce say? 10, 10, 10s across the board. Yeah, he don't like sweet stuff, so he's probably like, it's too sweet, add water, because he's old. But this is amazing. All right, go ahead. What you guys have?
It's a 4.
He's lying.
It's a 4. Nah, I give it a 6. 6.
Oh, this is good.
This need mad water though. For me to drink it, it's a 4.
It's because you don't like sweet stuff.
If I could add water to it, I could make it better.
Oh, this is
it's too sweet.
This gonna get drunken, okay?
This got alcohol in it?
No.
People like this with alcohol though.
I was gonna stir it up.
In the Caribbean, alcohol in your sorrow.
Let me stir it up. All right, y'all. So this is the Trini fruit punch. I'm super, super excited about this, y'all, because I love fruit punch. And I love the color. Look at the color of this. I love the color of this. Ooh, I smell this. Smell like, it gets like I got some grapefruit juice in it. I love this. Okay, y'all. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ten. Oh, he gonna like this one because it's not that sweet, but this is still the same.
8.
10.
8. There's pineapple in here.
Is that pineapple? You got grapefruit?
Grapefruit, pineapple, strawberry.
You want some more? Dang.
Nah, that's decent.
Oh, this is good.
That's
10. This Trini fruit punch is a 10, y'all. A 10. Okay.
I'm not drinking that.
You're not gonna drink the Malby?
No.
So I'm not the biggest fan of Malby, y'all, but
I can't do it. I can't do it for the video either.
I'm gonna drink it.
To me, growing up, it always was like, I know that it's a bark from a tree, like Malby bark. So I'd be like, you like root beer and all that. You might like that. It's sour.
I don't like this, y'all. And so let me tell y'all, I do like root beer. And it do have essence of like that vanilla root berry flavor. But it has some type of aftertaste. Hold on.
Yeah, it does. That's the reason why I don't like it. Growing up, I never liked it.
It got like a licorice aftertaste.
I don't like licorice either.
No, we're gonna
like
put
Twizzler, like a black Twizzler.
We're gonna put that way
up.
to the side. We're gonna put that way to the side, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm definitely drinking. You want some more of this? Because I'm gonna drink all of this.
Do you? Let's get to the food. I'm hungry too.
All right, y'all. So we have some. We have some rice and beans here. You could just dig your fork in here. We have rice and beans with goat meat, y'all. Why are you looking weird? We're not sharing the same fork. Yeah, I don't.
Yo, now your hair in there, shorty.
I don't eat off of people, y'all. So.
Yo, that's good.
All right, let me show them.
Just cut it in half.
You don't have to do all that. All right, y'all. Look, this is what it look like. Okay. Oh, we need to get them down. Come on. Let me just do it on them. All right, y'all. So let's try it. Rice and beans and gravy. Okay.
All right,
here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Ooh.
You got a kick.
Yes, it do got a kick. Ooh.
I got a piece of goat meat right here.
Ooh, this is good. Miss my whole mouth. All right, y'all. This is good. Oh my God. Well, let me take that bean. Spicy.
What?
It got good flavor, but it is, y'all, this is hot. So the curry goat will be hot. So that tells me that the curry chicken is also going to be hot. So this is like authentic. This tastes like it got like a little tomato paste or something. The beans.
I don't know how they make it, but it does probably tomato paste.
Yeah, tomato paste. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna give this an 8, and I'm only giving it an 8 because my spice level isn't this high. So
spice level is on like an 8.
This is
it's definitely high.
This is not spicy. This is hot.
No, that's spice.
I'm saying it's my mouth is like my tongue is on fire.
Hot meat.
This is hot. Very hot. As in taste. Okay, this is hot. But it has a lot of how would you rate this? I'm giving it an 8.
7.
It has a lot of flavor, y'all. It's just hot.
Give it a 7.
That's good.
It's good though.
That's good. Those beans was good. Oh, I like rice and beans. I like rice and peas, but this is good.
Spicy though.
Okay, y'all.
What's that?
This is a double.
It's a beef patty.
It got, so this the one with the, I think it got chickpeas in it or something. This is what it looked like, y'all. I think it has, this the one with the, so that went, oh, look at that. That right there mean it got flavor. Y'all see that sticking out? That's flavor.
You gonna like this. I had this when I was younger.
You did?
Young boy.
Alright, so y'all, this is the one with the peas. The other one has potatoes. So, alright, here we go.
It's gonna be good.
Mmm. Oh, this is good. Oh, I'm full. I'm so full.
That's good.
That is, y'all, I keep dropping the meat, the beans on this side. Mmm.
It's definitely.
This is good.
It's 8.
I'm going with 8 too. This is good. And I'm going with 8, y'all, because user error. I have a texture issue. So everything is soft, right? So that's the only reason why I'm going with 8. But if it wasn't a user issue, it would be a 10 because it has good flavor. And I'm full. Okay, one more.
Go ahead.
Okay, y'all. Mmm, you got some fresh herbs?
Yeah.
Some cilantro or something? Mmm, that's good.
Smell it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. Alright, y'all, that's good. Alright, y'all. So here is the last one.
Nah, that's the beef patty.
No, this, I don't know what this is. Look, y'all.
What's in it? What's in this one?
Potatoes. This one is all peas, like chickpeas. This one has potatoes, I think she said. Yeah.
And one is called doubles, or both called doubles.
On my receipt, it said doubles, but so it is a double, but it's a different type of double.
Cause that one was like a top bread and a bottom bread.
Yeah, and that's what she said.
And
Y'all,
some stuff
I'm bad at
inside.
this. Okay, y'all. Okay.
Break it.
Ooh, I might
Your
like.
texture.
I might like this texture better. Ooh. Ooh, this smells something. This smells familiar. This smells real familiar. Yo, I'm so full. Let me count down. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Nah.
I like this one better. Look, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Can y'all see the
this one get a
potatoes?
6.
Can y'all see the potatoes in there? I hope y'all can. Look.
It's a 6.
A 6.
6.
Let me hold on.
Maybe because I'm a carnivore, I gotta have some kind of
You like meat?
pause. Got you first. So you always be catching me. I got you first.
You like me? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. That was terrible. Okay, yeah. This
Commercial break.
I'm gonna say that in my videos.
She said, I thought you was full.
I'm very full. Alright, y'all. So first of all, everything here has flavor. So nothing here is bland. Everything tastes like something, which I love, right?
True.
Because you don't want to eat food that don't have flavor. But if I had to pick between the 2 doubles, which is this one with the chickpeas and then this one with the potato, I'm going with the potato because I like the texture better. So I'm giving this a 9. I'm giving this a 9 because of texture. And I might be falling in line with you. I wish it had like a little chicken in this because chicken and potatoes go together.
Exactly.
So I'm only, and I guess that's how this comes. So I'm only giving this a 9 because I want chicken in this. And I asked her, I was like, so is this like a roti? Do it come like chicken or beef? And she was like, no, it's one has peas and then one has potatoes. So I did ask, but That's not how these are, because I'm used to roti with
Right.
chicken and potato on the inside, or chicken and beef or whatever.
So now you're getting a different
Perspective.
island.
Yeah, definitely have a different view of dishes from
So
different
you
places.
know what Barbados food tastes like.
Uh-huh.
You know what Trinidadian food tastes like.
Jamaican
That's what you
food.
had. You know what Jamaican food tastes
So
like.
next is African food, which I already had jollof rice and egusi soup. So I have to, but I'm scared to try all the other stuff because they be using chicken feed.
Oh my god.
And sometimes you might get a chicken feed. Okay, anyway, y'all.
That's what you're supposed to put in commercial break.
Anyway, y'all. Yeah, so I'm giving this a 9. So what do you give this?
7.
Why was it a 7?
I'm a carnivore. I just
me.
can't. Yeah.
I'm so
Pause.
full. Let me stop saying that. Alright, y'all. Anyway, this is the end of this. Y'all, this was a food review. I don't think I said that. This is the end of this Trini food review, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you're in Virginia and come across, I think it's called Trini RVA. I think so. That might be her Instagram too. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to put the stuff right here.
Back up there.
I'm gonna put the stuff right here. So like if you ever in town and just want to try it for yourself, do that. But I recommend all of this. The only thing I'm not recommending is this. And if you like root beer,
To each his own.
right. If you like root beer, then you sort of kind of would like this. But if you don't like root beer and licorice, then it's the aftertaste. So everything here was good. You want to taste it?
I know it's gonna be bad.
It is
I
bad.
just know it's gonna be bad.
It's,
This used to like hurt my feelings.
oh, you
this
poured a
when I
lot.
was
Oh, it's the aftertaste.
younger. They be like, "You got more beer in the fridge." I be like,
It's the baby. I'm gonna drink this sorrow.
"Hold on, let me."
That's how you remember it.
The aftertaste.
It's the aftertaste. Yeah.
The aftertaste be punching you like your tongue be like.
She had tamarind juice too, but I should have got because I like
Now
tamarind.
that would be good. That'd
Dang,
be good.
and she asked me, and I said no. Give me the Malby. Dang, I should have got the. Okay, I'm gonna have to
You
go
got
back
the
another
tamarind.
time and get the tamarind juice.
Tamarind.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get that. But anyway,
Tamarind gonna be just as sweet as this though.
ooh, that's gonna be good then. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until
Till
next
next
time.
time.
Bye, y'all.
What's on that?
I like this one.
Sleigh bell tingling, ring, ting-a-tingling too. Ding, 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 ding. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.